Would you agree?
Yeah, I fully agree with you. It's a very significant point that you have raised. But if you allow me,
Ji.
I just want to highlight one aspect, one impending propaganda against Pakistan, which you will perhaps start to see on the social media and electronic media within next 48 hours
Okay.
when PM lands over there.
Hmm.
That will be that he is an interim prime minister. The agreement that he will sign will perhaps not be honored by the incoming governments,
Hmm.
and so on and so forth.
Hmm.
We need to
Dispel
counter
it
this,
right now.
Yes, right here.
Hmm.
And that is why I am pointing it out through your
Ji,
forum.
ji.
We need to counter it. That, as the entire panel has said, that
Hmm.
it is a national interest project.
To which all stakeholders agree.
All stakeholders. And this interim government is not a classical interim government of 90 days. Let
It
me
has
tell
more
you.
power, yes.
It has more power. It is there for a relatively longer period.
Yes.
Okay? And he is going under full authority from all stakeholders
Yes.
to sign these agreements. So we must be mindful that this will come within next 48 hours.
Fair enough.
Then your question
Ji.
of special economic zone. Yes, there have been lapses.
Hmm.
We have faltered, and we need to catch up. And as I said earlier, that
What are the main issues in those special economic zones not becoming operational, in your opinion?
I think it was a capacity issue, number
Okay.
one, and then political will.
Hmm.
Unfortunately, because of domestic politics, that one particular zone of, let's say, this province be given expedited establishment, and the other side given lesser importance. That was an inner problem that we should deal with ourselves. But obviously there have been delays because of these reasons that I am citing. But there are no excuses. We need to catch up, and we need to catch up very fast.